Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on a Chrysler Town and Country. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel for protection. It's important to have the correct blade sizes. For many models, that's a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and a 17-inch blade for the passenger's side. Ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the engine off before you begin this simple, yet crucial, task. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. You'll see a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this release tab and slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook. Be very careful when lowering the arm back down. If it snaps against the glass, it could cause damage. Repeat for the other side. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Remember to repeat these steps for the other side, ensuring both blades are properly installed. Finally, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe how well the new blades clear the glass, ensuring there are no streaks or missed spots. For optimal visibility and safety, it's generally recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. This simple maintenance task helps keep your view clear in all weather conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.